Hey guys, welcome back to the Conaway, and today I will be unboxing and showing you how to set up the iRobot Roomba 675. Stay tuned! Okay, so let's cut this thing open. There we go. So, that is what the inside of the box looks like. And there is the actual Roomba itself. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the box open. So here is, I'm guessing, the manual and instructions and warranty and all that stuff. Here is the actual iRobot Roomba. So we're going to take that out. Here is the charger that you plug in to charge your Roomba. Here is, I think that's an extra filter. And this is the charging dock. Now we will unwrap the iRobot Roomba. Okie dokie. There it is. That's what the Roomba looks like. Okay, so right on the top are the buttons, clean, dock, and spot. I don't really know what those mean yet, but we will find out. And that is what the bottom looks like. I'm presuming I'm going to have to pull that to start it. Okay, so it basically says on here that what you're going to do is plug this power cable into the dock and then put your Roomba, you pull the tab on the Roomba and then put it on the dock. You can get the iRobot Home app, which I have already installed on my phone, and then that can allow you to do it from your phone. Okay, now we're gonna get this thing plugged in. So I have already plugged in the dock, as you can see right there. Now we're gonna flip this over, put it down, and remove this tab. Oh, now we wait. Okay. Whoa. Can you dock? Hello, so now I am going to do a review of the Roomba 670 and 675 after about 3 months. So the 670 and the 675 are the same thing, just one is black and one is white. The 670 is white and the 675 is black. We have the black one. So, my review of this product, should you get it? Yes, if you're looking for a light cleanup. It's not very heavy duty, but it is great for picking up animal hair or cleaning up small area, and it works really well on carpet. Another thing, it is much quieter than normal vacuums. So let me put in a clip of showing the difference between the two right here. Here is the difference in sound between the Roomba vacuum and a normal vacuum. So this is a Dyson heavy duty vacuum. So here's what it sounds like. Hold on. And here is what the Roomba sounds like. Now that you have heard the difference between the two vacuums, I think you can all see that the Roomba is much quieter, so it's great for quick pickups, and it can even work while you're doing other chores around the house. Lastly, I think this product is amazing and perfect for people who live in apartments or one-floor housing, because obviously the Roomba can't go up or downstairs without help. So having an area that it can get to easily without needing your help is perfect, especially if you want to leave the house and continue having it to clean. I would also like to mention that the app is very good. It's very easy to learn how to use, and the buttons on the actual Roomba itself are also very easy. While we're here, I'm just going to show you exactly how to use them. So, this is the actual Roomba, and when you lift it up, it doesn't come up right away. It kind of lifts off its rollers, so it feels weird, but that's just how it is. This right here is the front. It's got a little bumper, so when it hits against something, it starts turning around, which is actually very smart. Right here on the front, this is how you can tell it's the front, is the handle. Then on the back side, this is the actual area where it holds all the stuff it picks up. So you want to empty this after each vacuum. And then right in the center, there is the clean button, the dock button, and the spot button. So the clean button, when you click that, it just starts, it goes, and it moves around the house. Another thing I'd like to mention is the Roomba does not go in straight lines. It kind of goes randomly. So I'll get to more of that in my tips section. The dock, you click that if it's somewhere else in your house, and it will start looking for the dock. It may take a while, but it will continue to vacuum as it does that. The spot area is if you just want it to vacuum in that same kind of area. So that is all the buttons and controls on the actual iRobot Roomba itself. There are more things you can do with the app, and you can actually look into the analytics and diagnostics of your jobs. Now that you've heard the review, let me give you some tips if you are looking to buy this product. So, tip number 1. Place your charging dock in the central location where you want to use your Roomba the most. Obviously, this can change, so if it does change, move the dock. So, the reason I say this is if you have smart devices and you hook up the app to your Roomba, you're going to want to have it in the place that you want vacuumed the most, because that's where it starts. Tip number 2. Charge the Roomba and empty it very often. So you want to empty the actual storage every time you use the Roomba, even if it's just quick, that way it never gets full and jammed. Also, sometimes the charger is a little finicky, so when you put it on the actual dock, you'll see it start to light up, either on the ring or the actual dock itself will have a little indicator green light. So when you place the Roomba on the charger, make sure that that goes on if you're doing it yourself. If you click dock, it will automatically go there. Tip number 3. Before having your Roomba go and do a job, you want to pick up cords and clutter that could get caught in it and could cause it to jam, because if something like that does happen, it could damage the Roomba. It's not likely to. I've had it get caught on a few cords sometimes, but all it does is sends you a notification on your phone if you have the app, or it says, it beeps and tells you where it is, pretty much, like you can hear it through the house, and you go find it and you pull the cord out of it and move it and then start it again. So, if you want to prevent that from happening, clean up a little bit before having your Roomba go through the area you want to clean. And that brings me to tip number 4. If there's a specific area in your house that you want to clean, such as your bedroom or a guest room or the living room or something, if there are doors, close them after cleaning up. That way the Roomba can't leave the room, because it kind of goes sporadically and not in straight lines, so it may leave the room. So our house is an open floor plan, so if we have it start vacuuming on our first floor, it goes from the dining room to the kitchen to the living room to the front room, over and over. So if you want it to vacuum a specific section, either close the doors, and if you don't have doors, put something in the way, that way it stays in that one area. Tip number 5. Get the app. It is very useful, especially if you want to connect to smart devices like the Amazon or the Google Home or Apple, I don't know what it's called, but any of those devices you want to get the app. This will also allow you to vacuum when you are not at home. So say you want the house a little bit clean when you get back from work or school or whatever. You can just open up the app, click on Start Job, and your Roomba will start vacuuming. That is all for my tips. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing, review, and tips of the Roomba 675. Bye!